The number of partners investing in AI is rising. 98% of our audience is either interested or implementing AI. That's according to research done by CRN's parent company. Joining me today is Cyril Belikoff of Microsoft to talk about the trends he's seeing. And a warning for our viewers, all data points to AI business booming. Cyril, thanks so much for joining us today. We last spoke in August, and since then, so much has already changed. Can you speak to some of the key AI trends you're seeing across industries today?
Yeah, Andrea, it's great to see you again. Yeah, AI is definitely the defining technology of our time. It's really the new platform shift in the same category as electricity or the internet. What's really different about this versus other past technology trends is that business decision makers are really driving the conversation versus it coming from IT or the tech industry. And so we're seeing a shift away from small prototypes or single app rollouts to a broader implementation across organizations and across business lines, which is exciting to see. Probably in 4 or 5 areas: employee productivity, customer experience, streamlining business process, and bending the innovation curve. And of course, all of that wrapped up in security across the board. So the opportunity for partners is really to position themselves to help customers stay at the forefront of this innovation and help them lay down this next AI platform.
You mentioned the AI platform shift. Can you explain what this evolution means at Microsoft? Also, the significance of Azure AI Foundry and how it supports the development of next generation AI applications.
Yeah, it's a great question. As I mentioned earlier, customers are moving out of prototypes or their first app into really laying a foundation in their organization to retool the entire organization. And we, as the industry, has to evolve to meet those needs. And so back in Ignite, in the November timeframe, we made an announcement about Azure AI Foundry, really a new platform foundation that really provides everything a customer needs to customize, host, run, and manage AI-driven applications, whether that's directly themselves or through developer experiences like Visual Studio, GitHub, Copilot Studio, or any other APIs that they want to leverage. And so this platform is really allowing customers to engage those many, many different large language models out there, of which we host almost 1,800 on Azure AI Foundry, and then provide experiences around that so that they can build out new areas of expertise and capabilities for their organization.
And that's one of many new announcements we've heard recently about the AI stack. What is the potential here for creating a new revenue stream for partners?
Yeah, of course, partners should be thinking about how they help customers. But really, we recently did a survey with IDC across many industries. And what we found is that between our services partners and software-led partners, for every dollar that Microsoft makes, our services partners make almost $9, and our software-led partners or ISVs are making almost $11. And so, of course, this is an opportunity for Microsoft and for customers, but in turn, almost tenfold for partners.
And you recently launched Azure Essentials. What is the value there to partners, especially since we know one of the top challenges when it comes to AI is skilling?
Yeah, it's a great question. We just spoke about Azure AI Foundry, and that while that's the product, what Azure Essentials brings is really the how-to, bringing everything into one place across best practices, product experiences, reference architectures, and as you say, skilling. Really a set of resources in a single destination. And so what it allows partners to do is get access to all of these best practices and training in one place, and then allows them to elevate what they're doing across reliability, security, and ongoing performance of their cloud and AI experiences. And recently at Ignite, we spoke about a new cloud adoption framework and well-architected framework specifically for AI, based on all the lessons and customer engagements that we have. So lots of great resources there under Azure Essentials for partners to leverage with customers.
And Cyril, there's so much noise out there. What sets Microsoft apart as the best cloud provider for AI solutions?
I would say there's 4 areas. First, depth and breadth of technology, whether it's Copilot, the UI for AI, Copilot Plus PCs, which is a new brand of PCs with AI chips in it, or the Copilot and AI stack based on Azure and our developer tools. Really, we have the depth and breadth of technologies to be able to help customers and, of course, partners to help customers in that way. Second up, I would call, broad infrastructure investment. 300 data centers, 60 plus regions worldwide, focused on reliability and scalability, and of course compliance with areas like GDPR, important for our European and large US customers. Thirdly, I'd say the commitment to research and development. It's not about the latest and greatest features only, it's about the long-term investment approach that we take. Generative AI, we invested many, many years ago, and it's coming to fruition in the last few years. And other examples are the recent announcement we made on quantum computing and quantum chips. And so really the focus on long-term investments for our customers and partners. And then lastly, we pride ourselves in being a partner-first company and ask our partners to hold us accountable to that, whether it's partner skilling or enablement, designations or go-to-market resources, and of course, incentives. So, we stay close to our partners, listening to them, what they need in this ever-changing landscape, and really looking to invest in the ecosystem so that all boats rise together.
Cyril, thank you so much for joining us today. We're fresh off our own Exchange event, which is full of partners, and we know more of them are implementing AI, but they're really looking to vendors like you to guide the way, to launch these new programs, to help them as they try to figure out how to create these new revenue streams. So thank you so much. I appreciate your knowledge.
Thanks so much. Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. And if this piqued your interest and you're interested in working with Microsoft about delivering AI solutions to your customers, you can check out the link in this video's description. Have a great day.